It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Maverick XLT in Area 51. This is a blue-gray color, as you can see. Interior is the navy blue pure cloth, seating for 4 doors, and you've got a 4-foot box that's lined. And you also have a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. You have a rear sliding, manually adjusted window. As well, you've got a trailer tow hitch and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. Your passenger seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are off to the side here, high mount light, and your gas tank release is located there. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And then when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as the menu will come up. Let's get started here. Oops, and we'll turn down our volume. You can do that both on the steering wheel as well in the center console. So it's telling you it's ready to drive. This vehicle is a hybrid, so whisper quiet, and it uses both fuel and the lithium-ion battery. In the center here, we've got a little cubby just behind the screen, and then on the screen we're just showing our audio here with the FM, and you can pair your devices. So there's your sources, and I'm just going to get in there, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You also can go into your settings and you'll see your different options. There's the Bluetooth again, Ford Pass Connect, your phone, general information. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as ambient lighting, and you can change the look of your display screen. So these all have submenus within them. Little cubby, your hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And then down below is your fan, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and there's your digital readout for your climate control, AC and max AC. You have your side view mirrors, front and rear defrost, and then USB, USB-C. Little place to put items, cup holders, and you have your automatic shifter as well as your electronic parking brake. And there's your drive mode. So when you go into that, you're gonna see, we're gonna get out of this where it says ready to drive. There's your drive mode. As I press through, you're gonna see normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, sport. So as you go through, your weather conditions change, your road conditions change, you can adapt to that, which is really nice. There's your traction control and the auto hold. I'm going to sort of turn that off. And so if you're on an incline or if you're towing, because this vehicle has a trailer tow hitch, you would put that on so that you would hold you in place. The little cubby there, your armrest opens up, lots of room in here. Off to the side is the glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, as well as the sunglass holder and grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. Black handle extends to the tailgate, is lockable and removable. And below your Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. You also have a trailer tow hitch. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice line box with tie downs, and you also have the box link, as well LED lights off to the side and an outlet. And then when you're ready, just lift it right back up, close up your tailgate. You can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. I'm just going to pop up the armrest, and it has a couple of cup holders. And then there's tabs on either end, but you only need to pull one, and that'll bring the seat right up. And you've got these nice bins underneath, and then just let it go. It'll come right back down. And then if you want, you can bring the armrest down in the center. And you have slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there, USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt. And you see that little slot, you can actually 3D print something to put in there. And we've recently seen some vehicles come in with custom cup holders. You have grab handles and hooks on the side, and in the back, access to a manually sliding rear window. Nice lined 4-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.